Welcome to the one and only arena where two of Earth's most formidable crocodilians live side by side. Here in the Everglades, American alligators reach the southern brink of their range while saltwater crocodiles push northward, meeting only in this vast river of grass. Biologists believe this coexistence hinges on subtle differences in salt tolerance and habitat use, creating a dynamic balance that you can't find anywhere else on the planet. Stick around as we dive deeper into 6 more mind-blowing secrets of this ever-changing wetland, plus how you can help protect its irreplaceable wildlife. Often mistaken for a stagnant swamp, the Everglades is, in fact, a unique and dynamic ecosystem, a slow-moving river that spans 100 miles in length and 60 miles in width. This river of grass, as it's aptly named, flows southward from Lake Okeechobee, nourishing a mosaic of habitats along its journey. In 1947, Marjorie Stoneman Douglas published The Everglades River of Grass, a seminal work that redefined the world's understanding of this unique landscape. Her advocacy transformed the Everglades from a misunderstood swamp into a symbol of ecological importance, leading to its designation as a national park that same year. This vast river supports an incredible array of life. From the elusive Florida panther prowling its depths to the myriad of bird species that grace its skies, the Everglades is a testament to nature's resilience and diversity. Its waters and wetlands provide sanctuary to countless creatures, many found nowhere else on Earth. Beyond its ecological significance, the Everglades plays a crucial role in human life, replenishing the Biscayne Aquifer, a vital source of drinking water for millions in South Florida. Protecting this natural system ensures the sustainability of communities that depend on its resources. A remarkable feature of the Everglades is its status as the only ecosystem where both American alligators and American crocodiles coexist in the wild. This unique overlap underscores the region's unparalleled biodiversity and the delicate balance maintained within its habitats. At the park's southern edge, a labyrinth of mangroves stretches farther than anywhere else in the Americas. These coastal sentinels sequester an estimated 31.8 million metric tons of carbon each year, equivalent to taking millions of cars off the road. Their tangled roots also excel at trapping sediments, reducing coastal erosion, and breaking wave energy during hurricanes. Researchers from NASA and the Everglades Foundation now study these blue carbon hotspots, uncovering how healthy mangrove stands could be nature's greatest ally against climate change. Venturing deeper, you'll find ghostly cypress domes, ancient trees arranged like columns in a silent sanctuary. The water depth dictates height, towering giants in the center, stunted saplings at the fringe. Those mysterious knees, woody projections around a base, help oxygenate roots during flood cycles, ensuring survival in ever-fluctuating water levels. Spanish moss, resurrection ferns, and orchids drape overhead, transforming these groves into living cathedrals that echo with bird calls and the ripple of water underfoot. No other U.S. park boasts such avian variety, over 360 species and counting. Flamingos and wood storks wade at dawn, while warblers and herons punctuate the canopy with splashes of color. Beneath these feathered flocks, elusive Florida panthers patrol the prairie, one of North America's most endangered cats. Manatees glide through warmer backwaters in winter, and in summer, leatherback turtles nest on nearby beaches. Every corner of this ecosystem teems with life in a breathtaking display of biodiversity. But an invisible invasion began when released pets established breeding populations. These apex predators now roam freely at night, ambushing native mammals and birds. A landmark USGS study revealed raccoon numbers plummeted by over 99%, while opossums and bobcats also suffered catastrophic declines. To fight back, park staff host annual Python Challenge hunts and deploy eDNA detectors, but controlling these stealthy predators remains one of the Everglades' greatest conservation challenges. Half a century of drainage and development drained the Everglades of half its historic expanse. In response, CERP unites federal and state agencies in the largest ecosystem restoration effort ever attempted. $16.4 billion over 50 years, aimed at restoring natural water flow and reviving critical habitats. Early wins include cleaner water and surging wading bird populations, but the marathon continues as engineers and ecologists collaborate to rebuild this living landscape. From rare reptiles to cathedral quiet domes, the Everglades is a marvel under siege, and your involvement matters. If you believe in preserving wild places, hit like, share this adventure with your friends, and subscribe for weekly deep dives into Earth's most extraordinary ecosystems.